Peekaboo. 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 Hi. Peekaboo. And Harrison.
Hola.
Mira.
Yay. ¿Cómo está la niña?
Peekaboo.
Enséñame los juguetes.
Peekaboo. I see you. Where's the ball? Bring the ball.
Marcus has some fun things that we don't have at home. It's so nice to get them with other toys that you don't have.
Yeah.
I'm so tired of your own stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Come here, Harrison.
Yay.
Look at this letter. Look at this big letter.
So we've had our moment and we had a talk.
What letter is this?
Put him in there, see how he plays with that.
So Miss Z, look at the look. She's gonna.